This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use medium hair rollers. First, ensure your hair is clean and either completely dry or just slightly damp. This preparation is crucial for achieving lasting curls. Next, apply a light heat protectant or a setting spray from roots to ends. This helps protect your hair and holds the curl. Finally, divide your hair into manageable sections, ideally about 1 to 2 inches wide, to make rolling easier and more effective. Now, let's master the rolling technique. Take a 1 to 2 inch section of hair and place the medium roller at the very ends. Ensure the hair is spread evenly across the roller for a smooth curl. Roll the roller upwards towards your scalp, maintaining consistent tension. Once the roller reaches your head, secure it firmly with a roller clip or a bobby pin to prevent it from unraveling. After all your hair is rolled, it's time for the setting process. For optimal curl retention, allow your hair to cool completely for at least 20 to 30 minutes. If you desire tighter, more defined curls, consider leaving the rollers in for several hours or even overnight. You can also use a hairdryer on a cool setting for about 5 to 10 minutes to help set the curls faster. Finally, it's time to reveal your beautiful curls. Carefully unroll each roller, starting with the bottom sections first, and work your way up. Be gentle and avoid pulling or tugging to preserve the curl's shape. Once all rollers are removed, gently finger comb or lightly brush your hair to achieve your desired look. Finish with a light mist of hairspray to hold your stunning new style in place all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.